Hey guys, Painter Contraptions back again, and we're with the dirt jumper. This is part, I don't know what at this point. Maybe I'll put it in the script right here. It's part. Okay, so we've got that out of the way. What am I doing today? I'm replacing these handlebars. As I said in the previous video, the original handlebars, I really liked them, but they were crooked. So check this out. I just got these in. These are some new handlebars for it. They're actually motor cross handlebars. They've got a motorcycle mount. And then in order to use these, I have to go back to the original 4-lug nut BMED headset on the bike that I had on it when I crashed and hurt my arm. So I've made some modifications to that. I've increased the angle here so that it'll lock a little bit better, be stronger. So hopefully by the end of today, I'll be able to jump it. Now, one other thing I had to do on this bike is I had to replace the rear tire because this, I don't know how well you can see it, but this is completely broken. And I'm not sure when I broke that, but I broke the rear tire, so I had to find another rim and whole wheel axle setup, so that took a while, but I've got it now. So bike's good as far as that goes. Time to swap this out. Let's get to it. I'm sure there's a torque spec out there for this. I haven't felt like looking it up. If you know what it is, feel free to comment with the torque spec for an unknown BMX headset on a homemade bicycle with suspension that's probably not meant to be on it, but is better than not having any at all. That said, I'm just going to go as tight as I can. Well, there we go. Got them on there. Definitely changes the look of the bike. This is the first time I've seen the bars on it, so let me know what you think in the comment section below. What do you think of these bars? How do you think they look? Should I repaint them to a different color? I haven't quite decided yet, but I think it's time for a test drive. So test ride so far is proven pretty good. There's one minor deficiency I've noticed in the bike, and that is that the handlebars are a little bit loose. So if we want to take a look right here, pull up, you can see these handlebars are kind of got some wiggle to them. I don't know if you can see that as well in the shot. There's a little bit loose there, so I need to fix that. Other than that, this bike is pretty good. I'm enjoying it. Also, I have some ideas to maybe when I hit 1,000 subscribers, do some upgrades to this or do some sort of challenge video. So if you have ideas that I should do when I hit 1,000 subscribers, let me know in the comment section below. Also, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest update on this project and many others. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day. Painter Contraptions, signing out.